Hello everyone, and the topic of my presentation is called Adjusting Recipes. Recipes are a list of ingredients for preparing a dish. Depending on the number of servings, we have to adjust the amount of each ingredient, and we also have to adjust the cooking time. I chose the Pandora Italian sweetbread for adjusting recipes because my family loves to eat this kind of bread on the holidays. I'm going to start by showing you the original recipe for 8 servings. The ingredients are 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1/8 cup warm water, half a cup of granulated sugar, 6 large egg yolks, 2 1/4 teaspoon dry yeast, 8 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 3/4 teaspoon of orange peel. Here are the directions. The first step says to set oven to 375 degrees. Then cold mold or pan with no stick cooking spray. The next step says to beat the ingredients from above in a large bowl and mix well for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then pour the entire mixture into mold. The last step says to bake at 375 degrees for about 35 minutes until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Then the cake is done. Cool 10 to 15 minutes, then unmold and let cool completely. Now I'm going to show you my calculations for a double bowling recipe. In order for me to do that, I had to multiply each ingredient by 2, and I also had to adjust the cooking time. As you can see, on the left side of the note, in red are the original recipe for 8 servings, and on the right side of the note, in blue, are the new measurements for 16 servings. Now I'm going to show you my calculations for adjusting the recipe in half. In order for me to do that, I had to multiply each ingredient by a half, and I also had to adjust the cooking time. As you can see, on the left side of the note are the original recipe for 8 servings, and on the right side of the note are the new measurements for 4 servings. Here's a picture I designed for a topic. As you can see, on the right side is Mr. Haney and my classmates discussing about the presentations, and on the left side is Chef Ulysses making calculations for the recipe for the Pandora cake. Now I'm going to show you my calculations for feeding my whole class and my teacher. I know that 3 cakes serves 24 people and half cake serves 4 people. So my calculations are for 28 people, so the extra slice is for me because of my hard work. As you can see, I also had to adjust the cooking time, and as you can see again, on the left side of the note are the original recipe for 8 servings, and on the right side of the note are the new measurements for feeding my whole class for 28 servings. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed the Pandora cake. I also hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.